At this time, I will explain the meaning of simple past and simple present along with example. Okay, I start with the first one. Number one, simple past. Simple past tense is a simple verb from that function to describe an event in the past. The words that are often asked in things type of tenses are yesterday, last today, last year, and other. Two, simple present tense. Simple present tense is a form of a verb to express events they are happening at the moment, and the function of the simple present is to state facts, habits, true, and situations they are really happening. In
I'm here want to tell you simple present tense and simple past is used for and how to form simple present and simple past. First, simple present tense is used to tell an action or activity that is happening now. Second, simple present tense is used to narrate an action or event that occurs regularly or endlessly. How to form simple present? I'm gonna tell you for the positive sentence. Number one, for the first person, to the singular, I read, I go. For the plural, we read, we go. Number two, the second person, the singular is you read plus you go, and the plural, you read and you go. Number three, for the third person, the singular is he or she or e plus s and or plus es. The example, read become reads or go become goes like that. And for the plural, they read and they go. Number four, to be, for the first person the singular is I am and the plural is we are. Number five, to be, for the second person the singular is you are and the plural still you are. And then number six, to be, for the third person the singular is he, she, it, is. The plural is they are. And number two, for the negative sentence, one, simple present verb negative. The formula is do or does plus not plus root form of verb. And then number two, simple present to be verb negative. The formula is to be plus not. And for the questionable sentence, the formula is do or does plus subject plus root form of verb. And then simple past tense is used for what? Simple past tense form are used in telling an event that has happened in the past. And then we can use simple past tense to tell someone's feeling about an event in the past. I'm gonna tell you how to form simple past. For the positive sentence, number one, the regular verb. The formula is root form of the verb plus ed or root form of the verb plus d. The example is cook become cook, like cook become cookend. And then the another example, love become loved, love become love plus d. And then number two, the irregular verbs. The example is hold become held. And then number three, irregular verbs looks exactly like the root form. So the example is still hurt become hurt. And then number four, irregular verbs including the verb to be. The example is build become built. Number two, for the negative sentence, simple past negative, the formula is did not plus root form of verb. Number 2, simple past negative for the verb to be. It's for singular. The formula is use was or wasn't. Number 3, simple past negative for the verb to be. This is for plural. The form is use were. The formula, use were or weren't. We weren't. Yeah, like that. Sorry. And then for the last questionable sentence, number 1, ask question in the simple past tense. The formula is did plus subject plus root form of verb. And then ask the question in the simple past tense with the verb to be. The formula is was or were plus subject. That is, thank you.
And this time, I want to explain some example of sentence from simple present tense and simple past tense. First is an example of a simple present tense sentence. Example 1, action is happening right now. I feel sad. Johnny hates cupcakes. Example 2, habitual action. Jayun practice the dance every day. Example 3, simple present verb negative. Jungwoo does not want to share the cupcakes. Example 4, simple present to be verb negative. I am not a cupcake lover, but Jungwoo sure is. And example 5, how ask a question. Do you know how to make good cupcakes? Second is an example of a simple past tense. Example 1, to tell someone's past experience. Hai-chan entered a singing contest. Example 2, to tell someone's feeling about their past experience. Hai-chan was proud of his singing victory. Example 3, simple past tense, regular verb. Do you cooked ramen yesterday? Example 4, simple past tense, irregular verb. Their marriage was built on trust. Example 5, simple past negative. Hai-chan didn't worry too much about his singing skills. Example 6, simple past negative for verb to be. The second place winner was not us, Fish and Hai-chan. Example 7, ask question in the simple past tense. Did Hai-chan with the gold medal fairy? Example 8, ask question in the simple past tense with the verb to be. With people asking a lot of questions. Okay, that's all I can explain, and thank you.